In today's video, I'll teach you how to check order history on Target. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in target.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Target. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to check your order history, it is actually very simple. Simply look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see the account icon. Also, you'll be able to see your account name. What you have to do is click on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to access various options over here. So if you want to check your order history, it is actually very simple. At second, you'll be able to find this option for purchase history. What you have to do is click on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to access the purchase history over here. You can see over here, you'll be able to find two options, online, in-store. You can simply click on the option online if you want to see the order history online. If you want to see the order history of the orders that you bought in store, you can simply click on this option in store. So like this, you'll be able to access the order history of online orders and in-store orders too. Likewise, you can also search for the specific order if you want. For that, you can simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to search for the specific order if you want. Likewise, you can also filter the order according to the purchase date and purchase type if you want. So like this, you'll be able to access the order history. So that is how you check order history in Target. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.